Students, in this video we are going to discuss allotropic form of sulfur. Sulfur forms numerous allotropic form having yellow rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur form. Yellow rhombic form is also called as alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur is called as beta sulfur. Right? See students, here rhombic sulfur forms monoclinic sulfur above the temperature 365. So we can easily say that 369 Kelvin is a transition temperature at which the rhombic sulfur transforms into monoclinic sulfur. Now we are going to discuss the comparison part of rhombic sulfur with monoclinic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is yellow in color, pale yellow in color, and having the specific gravity is 2.06. It is formed when the solution of rolled sulfur in CS2 is evaporated. It is insoluble in water, but it is soluble in organic solvents like benzene, alcohol and ether, and readily soluble in carbon disulfide. Now we are going to discuss about the monoclinic sulfur, which is called as beta sulfur. Beta sulfur has melting point 393 Kelvin, having the specific gravity 1.98. It is soluble in carbon disulfide. That means both are soluble in carbon disulfide. This form of sulfur is formed when rhombic sulfur is melted and needle-like structures of beta sulfur is obtained. As we have already discussed, 369 is a transition temperature. It's the temperature at which alpha form transforms into beta form. Now we have to discuss the structure part of sulfur. See, sulfur exists in different forms. It generally exists in S8 molecule. That means 8 atoms are joined together to form one molecules of sulfur. But sulfur is also present in S2 and S6 form, having different shape. S8 molecule is having the shape which is called as crown shape, in which S8 molecules, not S8 molecules, S8 molecule in which 8 atoms are joined together and forming crown-like structure. In S6 cyclo compound, in S6 molecule it adopt chair-like structure. How the chair-like structure is formed? Form this type of structure in which S6 molecules, S6 atom of sulfur forms one molecule, right? And the structure is called as chair-like structure. The next form of sulfur is S2. It is obtained when the temperature is 1000 Kelvin. At that situation, sulfur is existing in a vaporized form. And the structure is paramagnetic like O2 molecule. It's a very important question. Which form of sulfur is existing as a paramagnetic nature? The answer is S2. And explanation. We have the NCERT question, so we have to discuss it. In a vapor state, sulfur partly exists in S2 molecule, which has 2 unpaired electron, which is present in anti-bonding pi orbitals like O2. In molecular orbital theory, we have studied that we have bonding orbital as well as anti-bonding orbitals, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, like this, and the last 2 electrons are unpaired and present in antibonding orbital like oxygen and responsible for paramagnetic character. right? So this is all about the allotropic form of sulfur.